Hi friends, welcome to another short trip destination video around Bangalore, this time to Talakadu. Talakadu is a desert-like town on the left bank of the Kaveri River in the state of Karnataka, and it's known for its unique sand dunes and the Kaveri River beach. When we talk about Talakadu, we need to mention the legendary curse. The interesting history most of the locals says. In the year 1612, Alammelamma, the wife of King Tirumal Raja of the Vijayanagar Empire, cursed the Wadayar dynasty of Mysore. Wadayar wanted to overthrow the Vijayanagara dynasty, and they seized the opportunity when King Tirumal Raja died. They demanded Alammelamma's priceless jewels from the Sri Ranganathaswamy temple, which she refused. She escaped to Talakadu, where Wadayar's soldiers pursued her. Facing capture, she cursed them and sadly jumped off a cliff by the Kaveri River, ending her life. Talakadu Maralagi, Malangi Maduvagali, Misuru Arasarij Mapkalagadirali. This was her curse in local language. This meaning is, may Talakadu become a barren land, Malangi turn into a whirlpool, and may Mysore kings never beget children. It's believed, soon after her curse, Talakadu village and 36 temples were buried under mile-deep sand. Now only 6 temples can be seen, excavated by Archaeological Survey of India, remaining 30 temples and palace still buried under the sand. This is the magnificent Kirtinarayan temple, recovered from the sand dunes and after renovation. Likewise, all 5 other temples have been rediscovered and restored, and they are now open for worshippers and travelers to visit. Talakadu is located about 133 kilometers from Bangalore and 35 kilometers from Mysore. It is a popular tourist destination due to its historical and natural significance. Kaveri River flows through this land, making it a prominent attraction. Riverbanks are known for their scenic beauty and serene atmosphere. There are a total of 30 temples in the town, some of which get partially submerged during the monsoon season when the river water level rises. Visitors can enjoy activities like picnicking, taking a dip in the river, and exploring the temples and dunes. Boat rides are also available in the Kaveri River. Well, that wraps up our incredible journey to Talakadu, a place steeped in history and mystery. We explored the mesmerizing temples, witnessed the legendary curse, and marveled at the stunning landscapes buried beneath the sands. Talakadu truly is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting travel adventures. Share your thoughts about Talakadu in the comments below, and let us know if there are any other places you would like us to explore next. Thank you for joining us on this memorable journey. Until next time, keep exploring and experiencing the wonders of this incredible world. See you on our next adventure.